To fix a Samsung washing machine with a door that won't open, first ensure the child lock feature is not engaged, as this was designed to prevent accidental door openings. If the child lock is on, refer to the user manual for specific instructions on how to disengage it, as the procedure varies by model. Next, make sure the washer is powered on, as the electrical door locking mechanism requires the machine to be turned on in order to open the door. If there is residual water in the tub, the washer won't open, so it's necessary to drain this water before attempting to open the door. To do this, access the emergency drain hose by opening the filter access panel at the bottom of the front panel. Remove the cap from the hose and drain the water into a container or onto a rug. Once the water is drained, replace the hose cap and refit the hose back into the panel. With these steps completed, the washer door should now be able to open. By following these simple steps, fixing a Samsung front-load washing machine with a stuck door can be a straightforward process.